MrTech is back to amaze you with the fastest wood processors and the most powerful custom chainsaws. This is more than just tech, it's art in motion. Ready for the thrill? Let's go! Have you ever wondered how a machine can turn a boring task into something smooth and efficient? This saw, powered by a 3-kilowatt motor and inverter, does just that. Watch as it adjusts to the rhythm of the wood, ensuring precision with every cut and maximizing output with each slice. The 7 HP wood splitter was tested for the first time, but requires an important adjustment. It needs additional chain support in the middle to prevent damage from excessive vibrations. Adding a pair of shock absorbers from a washing machine drum, parallel to the spring on the belt tensioner, will eliminate the jerking issue and increase stability. However, it's undeniable that the work is very productive. In the world of wood processing, efficiency often comes from simplicity. By using just a sledgehammer, he demonstrated how basic tools and ingenuity can create a surprisingly efficient firewood splitter. No heavy machinery needed, only a solid idea, executed to perfection. Have you ever wondered how a simple machine can completely change the way you work? This wood splitter, with its sturdy frame and stable motor, is all about precision. The secret lies in the pre-split blade, which reduces cutting force and prevents shock loading, making your job easier than ever. Have you ever heard of a machine made from scraps that can change the way you split wood? It's called the det wheel. It only consumes 2 liters of gas to split 7 logs and gets the job done quickly, half an hour per log. But don't let its power fool you. It requires you to be very careful. Ready to make firewood splitting easier than ever? With the gear-driven wood splitter, you can get the job done quickly without all the effort. Compact in size, but powerful in performance. So why work harder when you can work smarter? Would you like to have it in your backyard? A custom-built hydraulic firewood splitter, powered by a tractor, leverages hydraulic force to effortlessly divide wood. This machine enhances productivity, offering precision and ease in splitting large logs. It's a testament to ingenuity, cutting down physical strain while increasing efficiency in wood processing. What if I told you that the Vinya cone-shaped wood splitter, with its 36 horsepower engine, is like the unsung hero of your wood processing setup? It works silently, swiftly, and relentlessly, turning your wood piling chaos into perfect, manageable pieces. You might just forget how hard you used to work. Our sawmill runs with unmatched precision, where every step is executed with meticulous care. The wood we select isn't just any timber. It's hand-picked from the heart of our land, guaranteeing the highest quality cuts. Sawdust? It's effectively blown away, keeping our team focused and driving peak productivity. Let's talk about what really matters. Convenience. This fire starter doesn't just light your fire quickly, it does so with zero fuss. Pallet disassembly? Effortless. For anyone who's tired of struggling with unreliable tools, this one's for you. It's the kind of tool that just gets the job done with ease and confidence. This professional vertical wood splitter is a refined solution for woodworkers. With its high-pressure hydraulic system, its efficiency and stability make it an essential tool for heavy-duty wood-splitting tasks. The machine ensures optimal splitting force for various wood sizes, delivering precise cuts every time. This garden chipper is a beast of efficiency, turning large branches into fine mulch in seconds. Its precision and speed redefine garden tools, saving time and effort, with a heavy flywheel generating unstoppable momentum. Once this machine starts spinning, stopping it feels nearly impossible. Let me tell you about a marvel I recently discovered. This wood processor with a self-feeding tube is like a hungry beast, gobbling up logs and spitting out clean-burning fuel. Watching it work, you'd almost believe it's alive, tirelessly preparing wood for your next energy source. Expert perspective. By blending advanced cutting techniques with a practical, hands-free operation, this splitter ensures consistent, smooth cuts for firewood. The integrated saw and splitter system allow for efficient handling of smaller logs, making it an ideal tool for anyone serious about efficient firewood processing. The first test of the cone-shaped wood splitter wasn't just a success, it shattered expectations. With its relentless power and flawless performance, this machine has proven to be an absolute game changer. Nothing could prepare us for how it tore through logs effortlessly, and it's only the beginning. There's something truly special about crafting your own tools. It takes you back to simpler days of creativity and craftsmanship. This homemade saw and drum conveyor, much like the handmade tools of long ago, are symbols of that same spirit. They serve as a reminder of the joy in making something with your own hands. You might think that splitting large logs is a tedious and dangerous task, but with the Timberwolf TW7, it's a breeze. This 7-ton powerhouse not only splits wood with ease, but also keeps you safe, thanks to its overload protection and emergency stop system. It's a game changer for any woodworker. Ever thought a John Deere 27D could turn wood cutting into a breeze? With a nitrogen-powered hydraulic attachment, it's not just cutting wood, it's redefining how we work. Imagine slicing through tough logs effortlessly, cutting your workload in half. Who wouldn't want this beast on their team? As a woodworker, precision and efficiency are crucial. A custom-made splitter for handling various types of wood combines engineering with practicality. It ensures each cut is clean and consistent, reducing time and effort. The adaptability of this machine makes it an indispensable tool for both seasoned pros . The sawmill, though aged, runs with remarkable precision. Its large bandsaw expertly cuts through thick oak logs, transforming them into perfectly angled planks. Despite its age, this machine remains a powerhouse in wood processing, handling the hardest tasks with ease and accuracy. The 600-millimeter disc saw equipped with a hydraulic splitter is an industry game-changer. Engineered for efficiency, this tool cuts and splits with unmatched force, handling tough materials effortlessly. It's precision engineered to meet the needs of the most demanding jobs in wood processing. The Blagosia wood splitter is engineered for heavy-duty performance. Its innovative splitting system maximizes efficiency, allowing for faster and smoother processing of larger logs. Whether you're working with thick hardwood or bulky timber, this machine cuts your workload in half without compromising on quality. Take a closer look at this sawmill. What you're seeing is more than just metal and wood. It's a true masterpiece of engineering. From every angle, you can feel the stability and precision that only years of expertise can create. Watch as raw materials transform into perfection, crafted by the hands of a true pro. Behold a true masterpiece of engineering. This inertia-driven firewood splitter, designed with a gear rack ratio of the square root of 10, delivers power and precision like never before. The sheer force behind its operation speaks volumes about its design, efficiency, power, and durability packed into one forceful machine. There's something truly special about using a tool you've crafted yourself. This homemade electric branch chopper brings a sense of satisfaction as it smoothly gets the job done. It's not just about cutting branches up to 8 centimeters thick, but also the pride in the tool that makes your gardening work easier. Have you ever come across a piece of equipment that simply feels right the moment you lay your hands on it? The Timco wood processor is one of those machines. With its clean design and reliable safety features, it effortlessly combines convenience and efficiency. It's the kind of tool that makes even the most challenging tasks feel easier. You might think a wood chipper is just a simple machine, but the IFA W50, it's a powerhouse that delivers exceptional performance, transforming raw logs into perfectly chopped wood with ease. Imagine having a machine that's as tough as it is reliable. This is more than just a chipper, it's a game changer. You might think a saw is just a tool to cut wood, right? But here's the twist. A saw mounted securely on a stand changes the game. Faster cuts, smoother work, and safety like never before. This simple upgrade is the difference between a job well done and a job done right. This concludes our exploration of the intriguing world of homemade machines. We encourage you to share your feedback in the comments section and subscribe to our channel for future updates.